In this video, I'm going to be exposing exactly how we make six figures in drop days with the clothing brands that we're working with. If you're wondering who am I, my name is Abdulaziz. I own a marketing agency where we basically take all type of brands, e-com stores, clothing brands in particular, and scale them through meta ads, SMS and email marketing. Literally just a whole backend. We just partner with you and literally help you scale your brand. So if you want to start working with us, we have a link down below. You can go to our website, book a call, and then we'll hop on a call with you and see if we can help you. So $100,000 in a day blueprint, as you can see right here. So 1 second, let me give it a quick refresh. So yep, it's still there. So as you can see, in the first hour of in the first like minute, we did around 5,000. Oh, this is just shipping charges. In the first hour we did around $6,000-7,000. Second hour $8,300, and then in the third hour we did 6,000, 3,000, 3,100, 3,000, and the day was over. So literally in less than 5 hours we made $100,000, and I'm going to be teaching you guys exactly what we did to be able to get this type of numbers for this brand. This is literally more than like people's yearly salary. As you can see, $6,000-7,000. It is like in an hour it is literally more than people's yearly salary. Alright, so $100,000 drop day blueprint. So the first things first, you should know that product is key. Literally, without a winning product you cannot do anything. Like, what is a clothing brand? A brand that sells clothes. So you need to make clothes that people will buy. You need to make clothes that people will need. So this is literally the most important part of the video. If you are missing the product, like everything I say in this video won't work out. So like, it is just step by step. First you need a good product. So to get a good product, what you need to do is find inspiration. Go look at other brands, go look at your favorite brands, look at brands that you buy from, and literally just get 2 to 3 products, and then go find a designer. Do not design yourself. Always go for a designer. Always go for someone who knows what to do more than you, who has more knowledge than you, who has more skill than you. So find inspiration and get on a call with the designer. Tell the designer this is what I want, and let the designer do his stuff too. And I assure you, it will be so much better for you than going and fucking paying $5, $20. Because I'd be seeing $20 designers. Don't go for those type of designers. Go for designers that actually have experience, that actually have a lot of client results. Results are very important, so look for those type of designers and pay them high, actually, because that is literally the most important part. The product is the most important. I say this in every video, man, but the product is literally the most important. So you got the designer, go get a manufacturer. I won't go through all of that because that is all your job. So outsource a designer, and these are some example of winning products that we've tested in the past and have worked a lot. So this bag literally goes crazy. As you can see, it is very shiny, but people literally love it. So, and this is another hoodie that goes crazy. This goes crazy. So this is a winning product. These are all examples of winning products, as you can see. And this denim literally went crazy. Brand had less than 2,000 followers, but people were literally buying it. We did more than $10,000 in a month just off this product alone. I think this product alone has made like 20 something thousand dollars. So that product, and then this is the Kill Denim. This is a 6-figure product, literally $100,000 plus off this product alone. So this is another winning product. Literally this product went crazy too. His Instagram got locked, so he can't no longer run the product, but we're going to come back even stronger. So something I also want people to know is, if you do find a winning product, don't stick to that product alone. You cannot scale off one product alone. To scale, you need more winning products. If you have one winning product right now, try to get another winning product, so you will have 2 winning products. If one product alone can bring you 6 figures worth of revenue, imagine you get 10 more winning products. That is $1 million in sales. So always think about how you can scale, bring more products to your collection. Literally just keep on growing your collection over and over again. So yeah, these are examples of like winning products. And then the second thing is hype. hype and FOMO. So first of all, what I want you to know is hype. If your drop is not hyped, nobody knows about your product. Hype is very important. A lot of people have a good product, but nobody is saying that product. Nobody knows that everyone's going to drop that product, so you just end up having a good product for no reason because nobody's saying it. So traffic is equals to hype. This basically just means the more traffic you have, the more hype you get. The more eyeballs, the more chances of people getting hyped about your product. So your main goal is to build traffic. Find ways you can get traffic. There are a lot of methods for getting traffic, and these are some. We have the organic method. So organic, what I usually tell people to do if they want like good organic traffic, this is literally one of the best methods for like hyping up a drop. This is what I would do if it was my brand. This is what the brands that I'm working with are doing. So first of all, we set up a time frame. So let's say you get the bulk today if you're doing a pre-made, or let's say you get a sample today. So you're going to set a time frame for hyping up a drop. That is the pre-drop. So for example, let's say I get a sample today. Let's say I start posting today. So I usually set a time frame of like 2 to 3 weeks. I really recommend you hype up a drop for at least 2 to 3 weeks. Organically, this is what I will do. This is what I will do if I was hyping up a drop organically. So I will literally be posting 2 to 3 times a day, 2 to 10 times a day if you can, as much as you can. Just try to keep on posting as much as you can. So 2 to 3 times a day, every single day you show up. It's all about consistency. Organic is about consistency. And what I also want you to do is cross posting. You post on Instagram, go post that video on TikTok too. Literally be everywhere, be available everywhere. Make people tired of seeing you. Like literally just show up on everybody's feed. So post 2 to 3 times a day. Like just find a number you can actually stick to and do it. So yeah, 2 to 3 times a day organically. But you're not only going to be doing organic. For this brand, we don't only go for organic, and for the brands that we're working with too, some of them they go the organic route, but for some we literally go all above. So that means organic paid ads. You can hype up a drop through paid ads too. How do you do that? Run pre-drop ads. You can run a lead campaign. You can run a traffic campaign. I usually have both. So the traffic campaign is to bring in more audiences to us, like show the brand to people, and then we close them with the lead campaign. So we warm them up with the traffic, and then we close them with a lead campaign. And the lead campaign, they just sign up to our SMS list, get more like stuff, we hype it up. So yeah, this is literally all just because of eyeballs. This is forms of getting traffic. So another form of hyping up a drop is influencer marketing. This is simple. You just send out pieces to influencers. You can go the micro niche, or you can go with people that are actually big. But for small brands, you should go with influencers that are your level, or just literally just find out influencers. Go ask your other clothing brand friends, and if you want me to put you on influencers, you can hit me up on Instagram at a.m.baju, and then I can put you on some of my influencers. Somebody's calling me. So yeah, and then these are like the 3 methods I usually recommend to get traffic and hype up a drop. So let's say you're getting a lot of traffic, and also when getting that traffic, I want you to put the fear of missing out, FOMO, to your customers, to like your audiences. Make them fear to miss out. So how do you do that? Through the power of scarcity. Show them your products are scarce. Like show them your products are not very available. Like you have very limited stock. You are never restocking. So like everybody will be scared. Damn, I don't want to miss this drop. So I'm going to buy this brand. Like I'm going to buy from this brand. Just limited stock, and you're also never restocking. Just keep this too, and trust me, it'll be so much better for you. So, and you can do this through like your captions. For example, if you're running ads, you can add these in your primary text and all this type of stuff. And also you are getting traffic right now. Like if you're getting that traffic, where are you going to be sending those audiences to where you're going to be sending the traffic to. The traffic that you're getting, you're going to be collecting their information. You're not just going to be wasting that traffic. You're doing it for a reason, and that is to collect that information. And how do you do that? You set up a sign up form. You can set up a sign up form on Omnisend, Klaviyo, Postscript. I don't really recommend Postscript because the like sign up forms are really messed up. So this was made through Omnisend and Klaviyo. So yeah, you collect their phone number and email, and on drop day you're going to target them. So yeah, and then you're going to be sending the traffic to here to your sign up form. Like this is where you're going to be sending all the traffic, all the eyeballs to. So drop day comes, this is the day that shit happens. This is the day that shit happens. This is when you're going to drop. So all those oh, I forgot to say something. So when setting up a sign up form, you should incentivize, you should give people a reason to sign up to your stuff. And that is with this is our incentive. This is how we incentivize people to join our SMS list. So get early access and exclusive discounts up to 20%, 25% off. So I tell them get early access. First, they're going to get early access. That is one reason to sign up. They're going to get early access. Don't forget about FOMO. We told them that we have limited stock. We have really limited stock. So they're going to get early access. They are going to get it before other people do. Like they're going to get the product before other people do. They're going to get access to that product early. So that is one reason. And then we have exclusive discounts. They're going to get exclusive discounts. A lot of people say, yeah, I cannot do 25% off. I cannot give them a 25% off. You said up to. When you say up to, that means in the future they might get up to 25% off. So you gotta be smart. So yeah, and then drop day. This is the fucking day you drop. So 30 minutes before the drop, or an hour, 1 hour to 30 minutes before the drop, you're going to send an early access message. That is with the password. Like you're going to put your website password in there because your website is obviously closed. Your website is password protected. So you're going to send that, and then you're going to have like your password, like your website password, and not your Shopify password, your website password. Like you password protected your website, so you have it right there. Make it very easy to understand. And then immediately when you drop, like at the exact time you drop, you can schedule a message or you can do it at that time. Immediately, boom, send them out like an SMS blast. Like the people that haven't bought from early access will buy it again. So you are targeting them two times. So yeah, and obviously set up your story sequences. That is like you post on your story, we just dropped like this, like you telling them, yes, we actually just dropped. So that is how to do a drop. That is how to do a drop the right way. And yeah, so if you want to start working with my agency, literally just hit me up on Instagram at adom.badru, or you can just apply or book a call on our website down below. Thank you so much for watching till the end. And if you have any questions, or if you want me to do a video or any type of video to cover something, just let me know in the comments, or just hit me up on Instagram so I can answer your questions literally for free. I'm literally giving out free sauce to you guys. And also don't forget to subscribe. Peace.